Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Here first stop. You click on first stop, then you can enter to storage. And then you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.